It's a crisp morning on an empty stretch of tarmac, the kind where every sound carries and every heartbeat feels louder. Two silhouettes cut through the mist, one with the long, predatory stance of a feline ready to pounce, the other with the sculpted presence of an old-money aristocrat. This is not just a meeting of two British sports cars, it's a duel between legacy and rebellion, between the celebrated Aston Martin Vantage and the car Jaguar enthusiasts have come to call the Aston Martin Killer, the F-Type R. On paper, the F-Type in its factory R form already commands respect with a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 pushing out 575 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. But today's challenger isn't just a stock predator, it's been tuned, refined, and given the kind of attention that turns a great performer into an apex hunter. Through strategic engine software remapping, pulley upgrades, and exhaust tweaks, this F-Type is now producing a brutal 621 horsepower. That's territory reserved for cars with eye-watering price tags and track day egos, yet here it is, ready to take on, and possibly humiliate, an Aston Martin Vantage worth nearly twice the price. The Vantage, of course, is no pushover. With its AMG-sourced 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, it packs 656 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, and it wears its power like a tailored suit. It's a machine built to seduce as much as to dominate, one that sprints from 0 to 60 in a claimed 3.4 seconds with an exhaust note that blends menace with sophistication. But what makes this matchup fascinating isn't just the numbers, it's the philosophies clashing. The Aston Martin is about exclusivity, grand touring elegance, and a sense of arriving in style. The Jaguar F-Type R, on the other hand, is about raw emotion, primal sound, and giving you an adrenaline rush without needing a trust fund. In a standard form, the F-Type R already rockets from 0 to 60 in around 3.5 seconds, but with this 621 horsepower tune, it's poised to shave precious tenths off that time, putting it shoulder to shoulder with the Vantage in a straight-line duel. And then there's the soundtrack. The F-Type switchable active exhaust doesn't just make noise, it performs a symphony of snarls, crackles, and roars that feel alive, like the car is taunting its opponent. Where the Vantage's twin-turbo setup offers a more muted, composed note, the Jaguar's supercharged bellow is unapologetically loud, reminding everyone within earshot that this is a driver's car first and foremost. Step closer and the differences in personality become even clearer. The Aston's design is graceful, with smooth curves and subtle aggression, the kind of shape you'd see in a Bond chase scene. The Jaguar, though, is more direct, a sleek, aerodynamic form with a long hood, compact rear, and aggressive front fascia that says it's not here to make friends. The headlights narrow into a piercing gaze, and the haunches give it that muscular, ready-to-spring stance. Inside, the Jaguar is unapologetically driver-focused. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster gives you everything you need at a glance, while the 10-inch touchscreen keeps tech sharp and responsive. The seating position, the feel of the materials, the snug, sporty bucket seats, it's all designed to make the driver feel like the center of the universe. And while the Aston Martin also pampers its driver with fine leathers and hand-stitched perfection, it leans toward luxury GT rather than outright sports car aggression. On the road, the tuned F-Type R's extra power transforms it. Throttle response becomes sharper, mid-range acceleration is explosive, and the pull in higher gears feels almost endless. It's a car that encourages you to push, rewarding you with an immediacy that makes every overtake a statement. The Vantage counters with incredible composure, cornering balance, and a chassis that feels bred for European mountain passes, but the F-Type's willingness to throw its weight around, combined with its ferocious soundtrack, makes it the more visceral experience. And then there's the price tag, the ace-up Jaguar's sleeve. The F-Type R starts at around $113,000, while the Aston Martin Vantage pushes north of $190,000. That gap is more than just numbers, it's an entire second car, a year's worth of track days, or the budget to further enhance an already potent machine. This is where the Aston Martin Killer title earns its weight. It's not about pretending the Jaguar is more exclusive or more luxurious. It's about delivering equal, and in some cases greater, thrills for far less money. It's about accessibility to performance that feels exotic without the gatekeeping price tag. In the real world, that matters. On the strip, the tuned F-Type launches hard, rear wheels clawing for grip before settling into a relentless pull. The Vantage might have the spec sheet edge in horsepower, but the supercharger's linear delivery means the Jaguar responds instantly to throttle inputs, no turbo lag in sight. Side by side, the two are locked in battle, but every time the revs climb and the Jaguar's exhaust cracks through the air, you can't help but feel it's enjoying itself more. And maybe that's the ultimate point, driving joy. Both cars are fast, both are beautiful, both are British icons in their own way. But the F-Type, especially in this 621 horsepower guise, carries an extra sense of mischief, a grin hidden under its aerodynamic nose. It's the kind of car that wants to be driven hard and rewards you for doing so, while the Aston Martin feels like it's always wearing a dinner jacket, even when it's breaking a sweat. As the day winds down and the last runs are made, the scoreboard might show the two evenly matched in performance, with the Aston Martin edging in certain metrics. But the conversation in the pits tells another story. Drivers step out of the Jaguar laughing, exhilarated, talking about the sound, the feel, the raw connection. The Aston Martin garners admiration and respect, but the Jaguar earns loyalty. That's why, for many, the F-Type isn't just a rival, it's the Aston Martin killer. Because at the end of the day, performance isn't just about stats, it's about the emotions a car stirs in you. And in that battle, this tuned Jaguar isn't just competing, it's winning.